There are roughly 11.8 million millionaires in America, making up roughly 3% of the population. This count is at a record high thanks to a bull market in stocks, bonds, and real estate. Although 11 million sounds like a lot, it still only accounts for roughly 3.5% of the U.S. population. I suspect the actual number is higher due to stealth wealth and plenty of unreported or underreported assets. What are your chances of becoming a millionaire by educational status? Asians with a bachelor's degree, the probability of millionaire status is roughly 17%. Hispanics with a master's degree, the chance for millionaire status is roughly 11%. Blacks with a master's degree, the chance for millionaire status is roughly 7%. A white person with a master's degree has 37% probability of becoming a millionaire. What is your chance of being a millionaire by age? Everybody's chance to become a millionaire improves up until the age of 61. But after 61, the chance for Hispanics and blacks to become millionaires declines. Slopes for Asians and whites are much steeper, which probably indicates there is a higher representation of Asians and whites in higher paying industries given investments tend to appreciate over time, their performance is independent of age, even if you are over 61 years old. Therefore, one may hypothesize that Asians and whites make up a greater representation of investors in stocks, bonds, and real estate. The slope difference between races is why there's been such a rally cry for Hispanic and black diversity in industries such as tech and finance. Humans tend to take care of their own. So if all Google has are white people as managers, it will be harder for non-whites to get ahead. What chance do you have of being a millionaire by race? Asians have 22.3% chance of becoming millionaires. Whites have 21.5% chance of becoming millionaires. Hispanic have 6.8% chance of becoming millionaires. Blacks have 6.4% chance of becoming millionaires. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.